If you're a cat owner, you know how important it is to keep your feline friend's litter box clean. But cleaning the litter box can be a tedious and unpleasant task. Fortunately, there's a solution: the PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box is an innovative and convenient solution for cat owners who want to ensure that their pet's litter box is always clean and fresh. This litter box uses a unique self-cleaning mechanism that eliminates the need for manual scooping or cleaning. How it works. The PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box is equipped with a sensor that detects when your cat has finished using the litter box. After your cat leaves the box, the litter box goes into self-cleaning mode. The litter box has a rotating mechanism that sifts through the litter and separates waste from clean litter. The waste is then deposited into a waste compartment, which is located in a separate compartment. The PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box also comes with a carbon filter that helps to eliminate odors. The PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box is an innovative and convenient solution for cat owners who want to ensure that their pet's litter box is always clean and fresh. With its self-cleaning mechanism and odor control, this litter box is a must-have for any cat owner who wants to simplify their life and provide their feline friend with a clean and hygienic environment.